Before creating a short video, most businesses post videos, but miss the one step that actually drives sales. I'll show you what that is in a minute. Are you avoiding video but want to start? Or maybe you're already creating videos and just want to refine your offer? Either way, before jumping into short videos and SMS texts, we first need to do some groundwork. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Step 1. Define your ideal client profile. Everything starts with clarity. Who is your ideal client? For example, if you're in real estate, maybe it's someone married with kids, employed, currently renting, and ready to buy with the right offer. This profile gives us a clear persona and demographic to focus on. Step 2. Test the offer. Once you know the profile, we create a remarkable offer that's affordable and realistic for your client. If it's not in their budget, they won't buy it. The goal isn't just views or subscribers, it's lead conversion. Step 3. Pre-sales and opt-in. Next, sales takes that client profile and interviews prospects to see if they're financially qualified. Qualified prospects are then asked to opt in to receive weekly SMS texts with your best offer. These opt-ins are critical because they represent the closest people to making a purchase. Step 4. Track and automate. In the software, every opted-in contact is tagged and moved into a weekly SMS text pipeline. From there, automation takes over. All you need to do is build the list of opted-in contacts. We handle the delivery. Step 5. Combine video plus SMS texts drive sales. Here's the real power. Your short videos create visibility and build your audience, while SMS texts deliver your offers directly to financially qualified prospects. Together, this combo converts interest into actual sales. Weekly rhythm. One video plus one weekly SMS text equals focused on conversions. 20-30 videos per month equals growth, reach, and viral potential. The offer. We stick with one strong offer, week after week. Your videos and SMS texts are built around this offer, creating consistency and a clear path to conversion. If you'd like us to map your ideal client profile and build your weekly SMS system, check the link below. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. We want you to experience the system before paying. Our 100% success guarantee ensures that if you don't see measurable results within 90 days, we'll continue providing our services at no extra cost until you do. If results still don't happen, the agreement simply ends, no payment required. Take our free quiz to discover the best way to grow your business faster. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click the quiz button, or go directly to humanbrainbox.com/quiz. After completing it, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you achieve your marketing and follow-up goals. Let us help you get a client. This is exactly what we coach inside our 10-day challenge. When you sign up through Human Brain Box, we won't just give you the go high-level software, we'll help you build a real process around it. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.